Hi everyone, how are you doing? I believe the day I am posting this is Easter, to all those who celebrate, happy Easter. I hope you are having a great time, no matter what you are doing or celebrating today. And I also hope you had a great weekend, because it is Sunday. So today I am opening my second Busy Bee stationery box. I wasn't planning on filming today. I'm actually about to go out and meet my parents for dinner. It is their last night here in Florida. We're going to our favorite restaurant on Marco Island, Ciao Bella, and I'm super excited. But I actually got ready kind of fast. I have like 20 minutes to spare, so I thought, let's open a box. So I have no idea what's in here. As the name suggests, this is a stationery subscription. This one costs $39.90 per month. There is free shipping to the USA, and it does ship worldwide. There's just a charge based on your location. So let's get unboxing and see what is in here. So when I open up the box, this is what I see. Let's see if there's a card or something for the month. All right. I found a card. It says, "Welcome to the Busy Bee Stationery. The theme for April is Explore." And then it says some of the brands that are featured. Here's what that card looks like. And then on the back, it has like their social media handles and all of that. So the very first thing I see is, this is by Creekside. It says one canoe two, Creekside One Canoe Two. I think that's the name of the company. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. This is a pack of 3 notepads and pencils. Cute, and it's like has like some stars and constellations and stuff on the front on the first one. That is super cute. Let's see what they all look like. Because on the back it looks like they have 3 different designs and each one comes with a colored pencil. That's super cute. Oh, I love how these are packaged. So this is the first one that we could see, and look, there's a little pencil you can hold in there. So it's like a little flap here, which is magnetic, so the pencil stays in there. And look, there is a little holder for the pencil, and it looks like there's lined paper and like a plaid print in there. That is so cool. I love how it's magnetic. And then the second design, this is so cute. This is like right on my alley. I love stuff like this too. I love floral print. And this one, it looks like, I think I said colored pencils before. These are just regular pencils. This one has that color. Cool. And then the third notebook looks like this. And has a little pencil in there. Super cute. This is so handy. This can like fit anywhere, like on the go. Like, I love that. And I love how the pencil fits in there. I've never seen that before. The next thing I see is by Love Chamel. It's rub-on pens. What is this? Oh my god, this is cool. I'm gonna take these out in a second, but it looks like you add these designs on the back. Isn't that pretty? Let's see what it says. It says, easily add designs and fun patterns. Gently press down and drag along paper. Includes 2 pieces. Oh my god, I need to open this up. Nice. These are what they look like. So you can like kind of see the designs in there. Sorry, my nails are kind of funky right now. I need to go to the salon on Monday. So how do you do this? Oh my god, cool. It's so easy. So I just did it on the paper. You just hold it down and drag it super easily, and it did it well on this like ragged piece of paper. Let me try the other one. This is so cute. I'm like having so much fun right now. So you just like, oh, should I close the other one? Yeah, and then you just close it when you're done using it. Okay, this one came out really kind of weird. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. I just wasn't pressing it down hard enough at first, but isn't that so cute? I've never seen these before. At first I thought they were gonna be like whiteout or something. You know how there's some whiteout pens like that? This is so fun. I love these pens. This is a multicolor pencil. Oh, so it's a pencil, not a pen. It's like one of those, I think you can like press down and get different colors. It actually says there's 8 colors in here. It says 8 marking colors and 1 convenient pencil. And those are the colors. Oh my god, 8 colors? Usually there's like 4. I love these when I was younger. I think I still do. I think I had one when I was like working in the hospital. So, how do you pick the color? Oh, shoot. You guys, did I just mess up the yellow? Look how far it came out. Oh, I can put it back in. Whew. Okay, so I gotta figure out how to use this correctly. The yellow seems like it came out all the way, but I don't know like how I switch the color around. Do I move this? See, I don't know what I did. But yeah, it's colored pencils, but I was able to get it back in, I think. Hopefully it's not broken. If anyone knows what the hell I'm doing wrong, let me know. Ooh, what? Okay, wait, I'll open this first. It says something for freedom. This is for stationery. I think this is a pen. I don't know, let's open it. Cute packaging though. You guys, I don't know what this is. So this, like this green, like mint color thing, and then both ends it looks clear? Is there something in there? Yeah, because on the back it's written mostly in another language. And I'm like failing right now. If you guys know what this is, will you let me know? Like, I don't know if there's anything in there or what. But yeah, let me know. Because I'm a stationery newbie, so clearly I need help. Oh, here's a cute pencil, I think. What is this? It says, "We are family." And it's got like little, like, I don't know what's on there, like little fruit family. Is that not focusing? Okay. Oh, and this looks the same. Okay, so here, there's a pen on this point. What? I don't know what's on the other side, but it looks like that other pen. So let's see what color this writes in, if it's black or what. Oh, it's blue. Cool, so it's like a blue pen. Awesome. Next up we have something by Heart Chamel or Love Chamel box of crayons. This is, whoa, stickers, and there's 1,424 in here. This is a sticker pack. Cool. Oh, so it has like all like the alphabets and stuff, judging by the back of it, in different colors. It says there's holographic and gold foil accents. Cool, let's look at them. And these are holographic. There's the first sheet. Maybe the next one's pink. I love pink. This one is red. Oh, I love this color, blue. And there's a darker blue. Oh, this one's like rainbow. And then I think this is like a little booklet. Oh, it's like a teeny baby folder. So you can keep all of them inside. I love that. That's so convenient. A little baby folder. Oh, it's so cute. So I just tucked them all in. I love that. And then you know what it is because it's in this folder. It has the ABCs on it. That's so cute. All right, there's just a few things left. This is by Heidi Swapp. These are stickers, a 17-piece sticker. It says adventure, travel, discover, ultimate, explore, epic. So this is definitely like a travel theme, which fits with the monthly theme. What is it? April theme is explore. So this is perfect for that. Is that focusing? It's a little shiny. Cool. We got some stuff by Heidi Swapp last time that I liked. And then there's the last thing in here is also by Heidi Swapp. This is a 3-piece rub-on foil kit. It says see instructions on the back. So there's this front piece, which I'm not sure you'll be able to see everything on it because it's like white. And then the foil on the back. And it looks like you use scissors and tags and you shows you how to do it exactly there. So instead of me explaining it, hopefully this will focus. Maybe it's a little shiny, I know. I'm glad there's instructions. So the thing that says on here, like best ever, beautiful, imagine, and there's some like hearts, let's get lost together, find reasons to smile, hello there, the little things, and then like some other cute little designs. So that's really cute. And I'm not sure if you are going to be able to see it since it is white, but like it shows on the back when you use the gold foil, it'll show up more. So that's cool. So let's do a quick recap, and I'm going to be running out the door. Got a few minutes left. So we got the Heidi Swapp, the rub-on foil kit, the Heidi Swapp like Explore themed stickers. It's cute little folder with all the alphabet stickers, like over 1,000 of them in there. Then we got, this is probably like the most fun, these two little sticker rollers, like so the star one and the floral print. We got this pencil, 8-color pencil thing I somehow can't figure out. I have my doctorate and can't figure out a pencil. Or figure out this pencil thing. I don't know what it is. You guys have to help me, please. And then we got a blue pen, which I think is really cute. It says "We Are Family" on there. And I'm going to meet my family right now, so that's really fitting. Oh, and I love these notebooks. I think they're so cute. These front two are my favorite for sure. But this one's cute too. So yeah, that is everything that came in the box. You have to let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And again, I hope you're having a great day and had a great weekend. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you for unboxing with me, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.